Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, great people. How are you today? I hope all you have good news today. I am happy to be here with you today. My name is Anissa Putri Amalia Hidayat. I am from grade 1B, Elementary School Teacher, Education Study Program, University Muhammadiyah Tasikmalaya. I am 19 years old. I come from Ciamis. Today's presentation topic is about difficult in learning mathematics. The purpose of this presentation is to information any difficulty in learning mathematics. My presentation consists of several parts, namely definition of learning difficult in mathematics, factors that affect the difficulty of learning mathematics, characteristics of learning difficult in mathematics, and handling math learning difficult. There will be a question and answer session after the presentation is over. Before that, I want to show a short video about math is difficult.
Aku yakin dari kalian semua yang nonton video ini sebagian besar gak suka sama yang namanya matematika ini. Kalau dihitung-hitung ya 9% manusia Indonesia, terutama pelajar ya, itu benci banget sama matematika. Dan sisanya itu suka sama matematika. Kak, kok gak 1% aja sih? Ya karena menurut aku tuh gak sedikit-sedikit amat yang suka sama matematika. Soalnya aku salah satu orangnya, hehe. Oke, sekarang aku punya pertanyaan buat kalian yang gak suka sama matematika ini. Kenapa sih gak suka sama matematika? Apakah matematika itu seru? Apakah matematika itu mempersulit hidup lo? Atau mungkin karena dulu lo pas waktu SD udah suka banget nih sama matematika, tetapi lo dikhianati sama matematika ini pas lo udah SMP atau SMK. Karena dulu hiduplah negeri penjumlahan, pengurangan, perkalian, dan pembagian. Mereka sangatlah mudah, sehingga membuat matematika merupakan pelajaran terfavorit bagi para siswa pada masanya. Tetapi semua hancur. Negeri variabel alias X dan Y menyerah, sehingga derajat matematika sebagai mata pelajaran terfavorit menurun. Banyak siswa yang mulai benci terhadap matematika ini. Oke, cukup. Apakah itu yang membuat kalian benci sama matematika?
Well, after saying the video, I will start the presentation of the first part, namely the definition of learning difficulties in mathematics. Learning difficulties is a symptom or condition in the teaching learning process which is characteristic by certain obstacles to achieving learning outcomes. Learning difficult are not influenced by genetic factor. Learning mathematics difficult are all forms of difficulty related to the function and role of mathematics and its application in everyday life. I want to turn to the second part of the presentation, which is factors that affect the difficulty of learning mathematics. A. Factor from within itself, which consists of: the first, does not have clear learning objective. The second, lack of interest in learning materials. The third is that hard is often understood. The fourth is profession in following lesson. The fifth is study habits. The sixth, lack of mastering mathematical vocabulary. B. Factor from the school environment. C. Factor from the community environment. D. Factor from the wider community environment. The third part of the presentation is characteristic of learning difficulties in mathematics. The first is less focus on participating in learning activities, especially learning mathematics. The second is lazy in doing math problems. The third is difficult to do mathematical process such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The fourth is difficult to understand the concept of counting numbers or sequence. The last part of this presentation is handling math learning difficulties. The first is try to ask pictures, word, or graphic to aid understanding. The second is connect math concept in children's daily activities. The third is take an interesting approach to math. The fourth is write mathematical concept on numbers on paper so the children see it and not just abstract. The fifth is encourage children to train memory creatively. The sixth is prize fairly for the success and efforts of the child. The conclusion of the topic of this presentation is to reduce difficulties in learning mathematics. The teacher should not be too excessive in providing material. The teacher must also provide rewards for the result of the efforts that have been made by the child, and the teacher must approach the child. This is the end of my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.